Hi, Namaste. Welcome to That Awkward Yogi. It's been 10 days since I've taken the 30 days yoga challenge, and I just wanted to pause for a moment and reflect back how it's going. Uh, First of all, I have never tried anything like this. I didn't have a plan, I didn't have much flexibility. I'm not a yoga teacher. I started this with a hint of curiosity and a lot of motivation. Some days were good. I followed guided sessions, felt energized, motivated, and also loved the post yoga session calm. And other days I procrastinated, I felt lazy, or some days I was just not in a mood, but yet I showed up. Some days I just rolled out the mat and sat there. I have done yoga under sun, in heat, indoors, sometimes in a cramped space where it's noisy, full of distraction, but I keep it real, and I think that's the point. So far, it isn't about getting stronger or flexible. It's about creating a space for myself. A few minutes from a day where I can be just with myself, with my breath, with my body, and just witness it. Uh, if you have been watching, joining in, or just quietly rooting from the sideline, thank you. 20 more days to go. Let's see where this awkward journey leads. Namaste.